I'd like to welcome everybody to the January Brew Robotics Club meeting for the new year, 2013. My name is Wayne Bramlett, and I'm the president. Let me go through the basic agenda of what goes on here at this meeting. We're going to start with a little bit of club news, okay? And then we do something called show and tell. And then we break for a little bit so that people can, if they have to go take their kids home, they can do that, or have to go to the restroom or something. And then we start the talk. It will be, where did Andrew go? There's Andrew. Andrew will be giving a talk about Silicon Valley Robotics. And then after the talk, we sort of wander around and talk with one another. We call that random access. And at 10 o'clock, we have to leave. And depending upon how cold it is, some of us will continue to talk outside in the parking lot. But it's pretty cold tonight, so I don't know how long that will last. The other thing we have to worry about is restrooms. Restrooms are behind a door there that's locked. So we can go through that way?
This way you can get back in.
You can get this way and back this way. Okay, so I didn't know that, so I had to pound on the door. So restrooms are, you go through this door, and they're sort of over that way. There's signs that help you figure out where it is. So if you need to use the restroom, please do. How many people here are here for their first time? Oh, wow, okay.
These people are lying, they were here 22 years ago.
Yeah, okay. So first, I want to welcome everybody who's here for the first time. The deal here is the meetings are always open to the public, okay? And then if you find that you're coming to the meetings a bit, you should probably join up and become a member of the club, okay? Now, let me talk about that briefly. This year, unlike last year, we're actually going to charge some dues, okay? The dues are going to be $10 for the year, okay? And so, our Secretary Treasurer is Osmond. Give him money and he'll put you on the list. And what we do with the dues is we buy things like wireless microphones so you can hear them, okay? We're probably going to buy a better camera for the doing video and stuff like that. So that's what the dues are used for. Okay, does anybody have any questions about the club?
Just about the dues, is that per person?
It's per family.
Oh, great.
Per family. You only, one person in the family gets to vote, but we wanted to make sure that everybody in the family could join for just the $10.
That's nice.
Okay. I'd like to thank everybody for coming. We obviously got quite a turnout tonight. Did anybody do a count?
It's about 100 people.
About 100. Okay. That's okay. The peak was 103. That's probably a record for us. I don't think we've ever gotten up over 130. So I'd like to thank everybody for coming. And if you enjoyed this, please come next month. I don't know where we're going to meet. Does anybody know where we're going to meet yet? No, we don't know.
It's back in 12:20.
12:20? Okay, so we'll be back in the Crusher one now. How many people went to the old site and saw the sign? Okay, so the sign was good. When we put the sign up, we didn't know if anybody was going to see it, but I guess it was worth doing. Okay, thank you very much for coming. And for Ross and Arm, you want to meet over here with Osmond. And then quick people for anybody who wants to talk about the club robot. And other than that, thank you very much and have a good evening.